Happy Thriving Thursday. So today I'm here to talk to you about how you can use LinkedIn to generate business. So since LinkedIn is a professional network, you want to make sure you, as a real estate professional, is using it to your advantage. So first thing you want to do is make sure that your profile is current. Yes, figure out what your login ID and your password is, get back in there and update it. Make sure you have the correct brokerage that you work for, and if, like us, your brokerage has a LinkedIn page, you can link to that, which shows further credibility. And make sure you have your contact info in the first line in your bio so people can easily contact you when they're looking for a real estate agent. Also, make sure you have the correct job title in there: realtor, real estate professional, whatever you like to use. Use the job section. So if someone you are connected with on LinkedIn got a new job, always make sure to message them congratulating them on the new job, and maybe just jokingly ask, hey, you ready to buy that dream home yet? I'm here if you need me. Articles. So articles are sort of like blog posts on LinkedIn. They get better ranking and they're shown more often than just a regular post. So if you're doing any sort of blog elsewhere, make sure you're putting it as an article on LinkedIn. And if you're not doing that, you can easily write a quick LinkedIn article, maybe talking about market updates. Grab some stats from Real Comp and a nice graph and just talk about our local market that's going on. And connect with your clients in sphere, maybe people you wouldn't friend on Facebook, but you can use LinkedIn as more of a professional network. People are more likely to accept connections on there, as they're called. So make sure you're connecting with your clients in your sphere, maybe people you wouldn't connect with on Facebook. And then interact with people. Yes, like and comment on their posts, and send them messages for their anniversaries, birthdays, and milestones. And then get recommendations. So those are kind of like reviews on other platforms. So ask people that you've worked with for recommendations on your work. So these are just a few ways you can use LinkedIn to generate more leads for your real estate business. If you have any questions about how to use LinkedIn, I'm here to help you. It's really user-friendly and just another great platform, another way for people to find you. So I hope you're having a great, thriving Thursday, and have a great weekend.